Hi. This 120" portable Spandex projector screen. Complete kit includes 5'X9 stretch fabric material and hardware for indoor or outdoor backyard movie screen use. 3D DLP ready with both front and rear projection capability. Guaranteed best choice with 100% guarantee. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations made in China. Don't skimp on your home theater cinema experience. More lightweight and portable than ceiling mount pull-down screens. No permanent fixed frame wall space required like blackout cloth or goo paint. Quicker and easier than air-blown inflatable screens which require 2 people to set up, noisy fan during the movie and are too big to use indoors. Our screen kit, just screw 5 nearly invisible hooks into your ceiling and put your screen up in 30 seconds. No tripod stand needed for indoor use.